Hey guys, Joel Punisher's Paintball. Today we're going to be doing a product review. We have the Freak XL ACP tip. A lot of people have been wondering if this thing works. So we're going to do a shooting video for you guys. We're also going to be doing a sound comparison to a regular Freak XL, a Freak XL tip on a Shocker XLS. Do a sound signature, as well as we're going to be measuring the sound to see if there's any difference in the sound volume. So what is the ACP tip? It stands for All Conditions Performance from Freak, and basically the idea is that there's grooved settings within the barrel, and it's designed to push out paint, mud, any type of issues. So we've done this, we've tested it with snow, it seems to work. Today we're going to be doing it with mud. That way, for all you players that are out there diving, doing whatever you're doing, as well as we're going to do some broken paint, and that way you guys can see for yourself that this thing does work. And it comes in a 14-inch gloss black as well as a 16-inch gloss black, and these retail for $59.95. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into it. And if you guys like this video, please comment, like us on Facebook, like us on Instagram, follow us and subscribe on YouTube, and we'll be bringing more videos to you guys. So here we go. All right, so we have a Shocker XLS that we had mentioned before. This Shocker has the Freak XL tip. Does not have the All-American tip, so it is going to be a relatively similar comparison on sound signature as well as overall sound volume. So we're going to put about half a hopper. We decided to make it a little interesting. We're going to shoot 15 balls a second instead of doing 10 balls a second, and we're going to chrono it, get a sound signature, and then switch over to the ACP tip and then do some testing. So here we go. First shot, 291. Second shot, 290. Third shot, 287. And so right now we're at about 40 to 60 decibels. 60 decibels when I'm talking. We're going to do a constant stream and get an average here. So here we go. All right, so it seems to be about 73, 74 decibels is what is average for the regular XL tip. So let's switch over to the ACP tip and see what happens. Okay, so now we've got the ACP tip attached to this XLS. We're going to do the exact same settings. Everything is exactly as is, and the exact same as the velocity and all that stuff. So we're still shooting the same paintballs, and we're going to do a chrono here, see where we're at. So chronoing 286, 286, 287. So it's the exact same as far as velocity. And then we're gonna do the decibel test again. So it seems to be about 50, 60 when I'm talking here. And we're gonna do sound. Here we go. All right, so it was anywhere from about 71 to 73. So kind of interesting on that front. A sound signature doesn't seem to be a huge thing with this. We did notice on a different test when this was attached to a Lux that it was quieter. So I'm not exactly sure the reasoning behind that. But let's get into the bread and butter of what the ACP tip is all about. We're going to do paint as well as some mud and see what happens. All right, so our first test here is going to be the paint test. So we've already smashed a little bit of paint in the front of this barrel tip, as you can see here, but we're going to take it a step further. So I'll turn it over here. We're going to take it a step further and put two broken balls. As you can see, we got our paint soup here. We're going to take two broken balls. Let's make it three. Why not? Gotta wipe my hands off. This beautiful Shocker here. And we're gonna shoot this thing, make some soup, and see what happens. So as you can see, plenty of paint in there. 3 broken balls, and then we're also gonna shoot fresh paint through it, which will probably make it explode inside the barrel. So, all right, well, we still got 2 in there. I'll tell you what, let's throw that one back in there.
Hey, all conditions, right?
Try to throw some grass in there too.
All conditions.
All conditions, there you go. All right, here we go. Does it work? We already know the answer, but It does. All right, here we go. Ooh. Oh. Oh. There you go. There you have it. What was that? Probably about, how many balls would you say that was?
Half a hopper.
As you can see, it's not completely ball on ball like it was, but it's definitely 100% better, I think. All right, so once we've taken this barrel off, you can see inside there, all the paint has moved into the grooves, and that's what the technology is exactly supposed to do, and that's what it looks like it's doing. So we'll turn around here so we can also get it that way. All right, so we have the regular Freak tip. We got our soup here. We're gonna go like this. Boom, look at that. That's pretty tasty. What do you think? 3 in there again, Keegan?
Yeah, make it consistent.
All right. Gonna wipe this off. We're gonna attach this here so I don't fall over. All right, so we have 3 balls inside the barrel front, and we're gonna do the exact same test. We're gonna do the exact same test here as we did with the ACP tip. Here we go. All right, so as you can see, that cleared up pretty well too. So next we're gonna do mud and see what happens with mud. All right, so we have shot paint through it, and we're also going to, with the regular tip as well as the ACP tip, we're gonna dunk this in some mud, simulating if you were to dive, have a bad dive, core sample, etc. And we've got some excellent mud here in Ohio. So we're gonna get in there. That's right. Oh yeah, it's even got the sound effects. So as you can see, I'll take it off here.
Don't shoot the cameraman.
Now gun's off.
Oh.
All right, so that's completely logged in there. So, all right, we'll see what happens. We'll see if we can even clear it with the paint. If not, we will we'll clear it out a path so that we can shoot it. So here we go. We're gonna go right into this. I'm still shooting the same GI 1-star, same chrono, etc. All that stuff. We're gonna put our mask on so the internet trolls don't hate us. All right, there goes the mud. All right, so as you can see, not bad. Probably what, about 10 shots or so? And then just ropes. So we're gonna do the same thing with the ACP tip, see what happens. All right, so we still got the paint from the ACP tip, and we're gonna do the same exact thing, same hole. Gonna get in there. The long guys are gonna hate me. All right, so completely clogged. Plenty of paint, or plenty of mud. Ooh. And let's see what happens. All right, guys, so here's the final result of the ACP tip. As you can see, we've got mud, we've got paint. We're gonna do a through shot of the barrel. As you can see, there is a lot of all kinds of mud residue, paint residue inside the grooves. This barrel does work as advertised at a price point of $59.95. I don't think you can go wrong. These are for sale, punisherspb.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for viewing, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks.